Hey there, fellow foodies. Today, we're going to whip up a scrumptious and easy-peasy apple crumble that's perfect for any occasion. So, let's get started. First, we need to gather our ingredients. We'll be using 6 apples, peeled, cored, and sliced. Next, we'll need 1 cup of instant oatmeal, 1 cup of brown sugar, 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, a half cup of butter, melted, and 1½ teaspoons of ground cinnamon. Now, let's start by preheating our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, place the sliced apples in a baking dish. Sprinkle the ground cinnamon over the apples, and then add the brown sugar. Mix everything together until the apples are evenly coated. In a separate bowl, combine the instant oatmeal, all-purpose flour, and melted butter. Mix everything together until it forms a crumbly mixture. Spread this mixture evenly over the apples in the baking dish. Bake the apple crumble in the preheated oven for about 30 minutes, or until the top is golden brown and the apples are tender. And there you have it, a delicious and easy-peasy apple crumble that's perfect for any occasion. Serve it warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, and enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me in this cooking adventure. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more tasty treats. Happy cooking, everyone!